How to change content language on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change content language on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, and now click settings and then go down and click here, languages, and now click here. You can change the content language and you can add any language you want, and as you see, just can manage here anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.